Hey champ, ride with me on the flipathon while I go pick up this deal that I just did. This is the day 3, and on day 2 I've given some offers, and today I'm going to go pick them up. On day 2 I didn't go pick anything up because I was pretty sore from doing legs and doing 52 miles on my bicycle. But on day 3 I feel fresh. I got up at 5:30, went to the gym, and when I was using the restroom at the gym, I give some more offers for like 5-10 minutes, and then went and worked out and had breakfast, played with my kids, and now I'm heading up to pick this bike up. This deal I found up on OfferUp is a Fuji road bike. It seems like it's in decent condition. The guy had poor pictures, hence why it didn't sell. And I'm going to give him $60. The bike retails roughly around $800 new, so nothing special, but $60 is not bad. I figure I could fill up it for $300 to $200 easily, and I'm not going to do any work to it. I'm just going to wash it, use my copy and paste ads that are proven to attract buyers, and I also just give the seller my copy and paste offers, which you can download both below if you're interested. There's a link below. So the marathon's going good. I wanted to pick up like 2 or 3 bikes a day, but you know, these deals are coming up very far. And the thing also is that I have to coordinate with people that are like at home in the daytime, because I don't want to drive at nighttime to go pick these deals up. A lot of people get off at work, 5-6 o'clock, and then I have a long way to go pick it up. I don't want to do it at nighttime, so I just stick to the deals that I can pick up in the daytime, like around noon o'clock, 1-2 o'clock, and then head home so I can have time to hang out with my kids. So I'm kind of like doing this very part-time. Some of these deals are far, but I like driving far. Like I said, it's like a hobby, but I'm getting paid for it to go cycle. I'm getting paid for it making content for you. I'm getting paid for it on the bicycle flip itself. I'm getting paid for because I'm getting to learn the area, like this area that I'm going to. The reason I picked this deal is because I've never been to this part of town before, and it gives me a chance to look at the properties around the area. So it gives me an opportunity to look at real estate, see what houses are for sale, off-market property. So it has a lot of benefits. You know what I mean? I'm doing 45 miles today, so it has a lot of health benefits for me. So all around, it's a win-win. When I buy this deal, I'm going to help the seller out. When I turn around, I'll sell it at a deep discount. I'm going to help the new buyer out. So it's an amazing deal. I feel great. I'm thankful to be able to do this. And more importantly, change some of you guys' lives, because you can do this stuff, make money, put it aside, and then get in real estate. Or you can, the skills that I'm teaching you, which is the motivated seller art, you can use it to buy houses, ATVs, RVs, real estate, land. I mean, anything you can imagine, because there's always motivated sellers in every sector of life. It doesn't matter if you live in Africa, if you live in Middle East, if you live in America, okay? But there's a lot of motivated sellers in America because we all have the hoarding or the advertisement of consumption. So we have so much stuff that our rooms and garages are full, and then we get storage units to fill them up. Not because of us, but because of the programming that's going on, which creates a lot of opportunity for bicycle flipping. Because a lot of people buy bikes, they don't use it, they just sit there, and a great opportunity for me to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7x my money. That's 700% my money on some deals, right? And some deals I'm just getting 3x, 300%, which is I'm still happy because I have all those benefits that I've presented to you guys. So thank you for watching. Thank you for clicking the like button. Thank you for leaving a comment. If you have any questions or comment, leave it below. I'll be happy to answer for you. Don't take no for answer. I'll keep you updated when I get to the seller's house. Peace.